Hey, what is going on? So, I'm back because I got my ROM chips from our Enthalpy. So I'm gonna put those in my ECU right now. So, they get a used RS ECU. So basically, this means that I can put these chips in. So I'm just gonna pop these 4 screws out and then take the cover off. This board will have 4 screws also, so take those off and then gently move this. And then you want to take these chips out extremely easy, but make sure that when you put the new ones in, this little half moon thing is like facing this way. Get these out. I'm basically just using a really tiny flathead and just using like a little bit of pressure when I go in here and just kind of like lifting up a little bit while applying pressure on the back side of this. You do not want to damage this daughter board at all. You just grab this. Again, make sure this little half moon thing is facing the way that it came out, and you kind of just stick it in. I'm going to try to do this with the camera on. And then try not to like force it, but like you can feel that all the legs are going in. And then, yeah. So my new tune is installed, so I'm going to put this back together, put this in the car, start it up, and then it should run. From Nissan Parts CC, I'm extremely excited because this is in the box, brand new. Sylvia shift knob. Like, oh, it's just so sick. Like in the box, brand new. Like, that's crazy. Actually, so I had to get a thread adapter, which these are like $4 online. The S13 shifter is a 10 by 125, and the S15 shift knob is a 12 by 125. So you just kind of put this thread adapter on, and then this should thread right on. Don't mind the pinging, but like, it's just so fitting. It's just so nice in here. And it feels great too. How's it going? So we are actually in the shop tonight because I had my friend Justin come over, and he's actually doing the bodywork on my quarter panel. So this is like a notorious thing for S chassis, at least S13 hatchbacks, at least to my knowledge that I read about, that the quarter panels buckle depending on it. I think it's like an issue with the rolling of the fenders or something. Basically, I had a dent and the paint cracked. So as you can see, he pulled the dent out, and now he's doing a little bit of Bondo. We're just gonna have the whole quarter repainted.
Oh, the dice wall.
It was probably, I don't know, maybe like a 2-week gap in between the last clip that I'm going to be posting and then now, because we had to wait a little bit to get the stuff done. So actually now the hood is painted and the quarter is painted, so I'm going to show you what that looks like right now. So here's the final product of the hood. The cracks came out. There's a couple spider cracks in the paint. Those are gone. Hood's repainted, looks great. The other spot we'll show you is the quarter panel. This used to have a dent and a paint crack, and now, nothing. Now it's just looks like a mirror, so I'm happy with that. That's cool. So there's only a couple things that I did really to the car, which I put my new latches in. And also I got a set of P2M 550 side feed injectors for my car, and switched up to a Z32 MAF. I finished installing my RS Enthalpy ECU, which shout out to Martin because he is awesome.